Hello everyone. In today's session, we'll try to gauge the sectoral tailwind in the market. We will use the concept of relative strength to pinpoint which sectors are riding strong tailwinds and which sectors are facing headwinds. As always, our aim is to identify the superperforming stock leading the charge in these best sectors. Once we have identified these potential winners, we will analyze their technical setup to see if there is any entry point available for us to take advantage of. Let's get started. I'm your host Subhash and welcome to the Market Trend Tracker. See, on the weekly performance, metal sector has been the standout performer, followed closely by PSC, oil and gas, auto and CPSC sectors. Consumption sector has really done good in monthly basis, where realty, finance, finserv and auto sectors are also outstanding performers. Pharma and healthcare sector outspaces all other indices on quarterly basis, with IT, consumption, FMCG, and India Digital also performing well. Notably, last week, sectors like metal, PSC, oil and gas, and CPSC performed amazing. It is considered that there were two major triggers for this momentum. One is the National Electricity Plan for Central and State Transmission Systems that has projected a total outlay of 9.2 lakh crore rupees. And second trigger was China's largest stimulus of the history for approximately $350 billion. The worst performing sectors, it is clear that digital, mid and small healthcare, private banks, consumer durables, followed by FMCG, are the worst performer on weekly basis. PSU Bank, CPSC, Oil and Gas, PSC, and IT are showing weakness on the monthly basis. And on quarterly performance, PSU banks, private banks, realty, metal, and media are showing persistent weakness. Any trend change, if happens, can signal an early opportunity for investors like us. If we observe closely this chart, what it shows is that 1 year back, the PSE, CPSE, oil and gas, etc., these sectors were the top performers, whereas they were appearing in the worst performing sectors for last 1 month or 3 months. Now, for this last week, they are again appearing in the best performing sectors. So, are we observing any sectoral trend change? Hopefully. But how strong it is and whether it will be able to sustain for longer term, that is a question. Will we be able to get the answer of those in longer term? Banking sector is still looking under pressure. However, there is a very good strength visible in the financial services sector, like Bajaj Finserv, Cholamandalam, Sundaram Finance, BSC, CDSL, etc. Consumption sector is still showing its good strength, majorly driven by auto sector. Now let's dive into the companies that are leading within this top performing sectors. You can pause the video and note down these companies for your watch list. As our aim is to identify super performing stock as we are playing the game of probability. These companies are demonstrating a strong momentum, making them our prime candidate for further analysis. However, the key takeaways are that market is really volatile, where sectors are in rotation. Growth is visible but in pockets. Financial services and auto sectors are leading from front as of now. After a very good run in IT, digital, and pharma sectors, they are showing some kind of weakness in last few weeks. Now, we believe in creating a system that works for you as an individual, which you understand and practice so that you are very much comfortable using it. As market trend tracker, we generally play on breakouts. Our theme is if there is no base formation happening, we do not consider that as an entry point for our stocks. Charles Dow published some theories in his article from 1900 to 1902. Those theories are still hold good. However, you will utilize three major concepts here. One, if there is a consolidation in the stock, wait for the breakout. Else, you will observe whipsaws in the market. If the stock has already shown some run up, wait for the formation of a suitable base and on the breakout, take a position. Else, there is always a possibility of a stock going into the downtrend. If a stock has shown some kind of a downtrend, wait for the formation of base and its nearest resistance level to take position. Let's analyze our stocks, which we identified in earlier slide, how they are doing on these concepts. If you see, Vedanta just gave breakout from a base. Steel Authority of India about to reach to the pivot point by completing this base. Gale is about to give a breakout by completing the base. NMDC, it tried to break out earlier. Breakout failed, but it is trying to reach to the pivot point and it is 4% away from that. Bharat Petroleum just gave the breakout and it is 6% away from the base. Paytm, it is 17% away from the base, but it is continuously performing good. You can take a tracking tranche on it. Sundaram Finance, it has given a breakout, but it is approximately 10% away. So if you delay any further, it will be away from any entry point. Brigade Enterprises, it just gave a breakout. Ideal, it is in ideal entry point zone. Bajaj Finserv just gave breakout. It is in ideal entry point zone. Sequent Scientific just gave a breakout. It is 13% away from its base as of now. However, yet to cover 39% to complete its complete cup base. Zomato, it just completed the base last to last week. However, last week it tested the support level and it has not yet breached it. Strides Pharma, it gave the breakout last to last week. However, it tested its support level and it is currently 8% away from its base formation. Now, if you observe, there are some stocks which gave the breakout earlier. However, they are away from its base, like BSE, Bajaj Auto, MCX, Jubilant Farm Nova, Suven Pharmaceuticals, Balrampur Chini, Ajanta Pharma, Trent Limited, etc. They're so far away that it puts us on risk to invest or to make an entry on this position. So we'll wait for the base formation. If we want to enter into these companies, let's wait for the base formation to happen. That's it for this week from our side. Are you already watching any of these stocks? Drop your thoughts in the comment below and let me know what do you think about these trends. We'll be publishing these reports on every Saturday. If you like our work, please do not forget to hit like, subscribe, and share buttons. It means a lot to us. This motivates us to put more effort in creating quality content for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.